Now you immediately place above that number a number above it that's one number less, because we're taking 1 away from 2, and we're placing that next to 3 to make that 13. Okay, so now we have here, what we have is 13 minus 4. So here, so we know that's 9. So we know that that's 9. Okay? So here, now, instead of subtracting from 2, we subtract from this 1. So we have nothing here, so that's 0 minus 1, so that becomes 19. Okay. Now here, I like to write, if I know I'm going to be borrowing, I like to write another bar above the top set of numbers in order to place the numbers that we know we're going to place there. So this could have went like so. We put the 1 above there. Here we cross that out. 13 goes there. So we know we're subtracting the 4 from 13. So that becomes 9, and then we bring down to 1 minus 0. We're going to do 130 minus 4. Now we're going to subtract 4 from 0. But we can't, because 0 is smaller than 4. So we must borrow from the tens place. Now how we borrow, we X the number out. 2 is a number that's 1 less than 3, because that 1 is going to be placed in front of the 0 here at 10. So here we have 10 minus 4. So there we have 10 minus 4. Instead of 0 minus 4. 10 minus 4 equals 6. Okay, so here we got our 6 here. Okay. Now we move on to the next column. 2 minus 0 is 2. Okay? Now 1 minus nothing or 0 is 1. Now, what if we have 130 minus 74? 130 minus 74. Now, first we subtract 4 from 0. But we cannot, we must borrow from the tens place. 3 is in the tens place, so we place a 2 above it. We cross both these numbers out, these digits. Now the 0 becomes, it borrows a 10. We borrow 10. It becomes 10 minus 4, which is 6. Now here we have 2 minus 7. Now here, 1, if you looked at the 1 as being up here, we're going to have to borrow from, this 2 is in the tens place, so we're going to have to borrow from the hundreds place. We simply borrow from the next place. Okay, so we cross out that 2. Cross out this 1. We have the 12 here. Now we have 12 minus 7, which is 5. Okay. When we crossed out this 1, of course, the 0 goes there. So 0 minus 0 is 0. Okay, so 130 minus 74 is 56. And if we want to check, we add 74 and 56. Okay, so that becomes 6 plus 4. Do the check here. Okay, now 56 plus 74. 4 plus 6 is 10. So we write a 0 there. The 10, you can't put a 10 there because we're just dealing with the ones place. You can't put your whole, you got to drop the part that's in the tens place, which is the 1 in that 10, above it. Okay, now you're going to add that 7 plus 5 plus 1. Okay, or 7 plus 6, which is 13. Okay, so that is correct. 74 plus 56 does add to give us 130. We have 1,230 minus 154. Now we're going to subtract 4 from 0 first. Subtracting 4 from 0, we cannot. Okay, we draw a line above the top numbers. You must borrow from the tens place, or borrow from 3. 3 becomes 2. Now this 10, or 0, excuse me, becomes 10. And we place that, I like to place that in a square so that you know that this, so that you don't mistake this 1 with being in that place. We know that this number became that number. 0 becomes 10. So that's 10 minus 4, which equals 6. 5, now we subtract it from 2. Okay? But we cannot subtract 5 from 2, so we must borrow a 1 from the hundreds place, cross out this 2. Now we get 12 minus 5. 12 minus 5, which is 7. Here we have 1 minus 1. 1 minus 1 is 0. I mean, we still have one more 1 left. 1 minus 0, because nothing is there. 1 minus 0 is 1. We read our answer, 1,076. All right, now we're going to do 19s